What's up, YouTube? I just spent the last little bit taking pictures for Poshmark. I'm gonna try to sell all these clothes that you see. I'm gonna try to sell a bunch of my clothes on the site. We'll see how it goes. I took the pictures. I'm hella sweaty right now. And if it goes well, or even if it goes bad, we'll see how this video goes. But I'm gonna upload everything onto the site and see what sells and what doesn't. These are all the clothes that I just took a picture of. Some of these are like unworn, like from Naked Wardrobe. This just didn't fit and I just never sent it back. But most of the stuff is from Forever 21. I don't know if people are gonna be buying clothes when we can't even go outside. So I don't know, but we'll see. What's up, guys? It's been 7 days since I recorded that last clip, and I just want to give you an update on how everything went on Poshmark. But first, let me just go over what I did. I have a paper, so if I'm looking over here, that's because I'm reading the paper. Alright, so the sign-up process was really easy. I think, hold on, I gotta get all this up. The sign-up process was really easy. All I had to do was, like, you know, put in my email address, nothing too crazy. And then I decided for listings I didn't want to just take a picture of the clothes, so I tried everything on, took a picture of me in the clothes so people can see what they look like, and then you have to, like, put in the where it's from, if it has tags, all these things. That whole process probably took me about an hour and a half or so. There's these things called parties on there, and I really don't understand how that works. It isn't really clear, in my opinion, on how the parties work. None of the parties seem to identify with things that I'm selling, so I just kind of like bypass that. Maybe that's a big factor into what I'm going to get into about my overall thoughts about Poshmark and how it works. So personally, of the stuff that I uploaded things from Naked Wardrobe. I had some Pretty Little Things. I had Fashion Nova. I had some stuff from Forever 21. And then I had a couple things that I got from Ross. But it was like it's like a full dress. Maybe people aren't buying that right now because you're always stuck inside. But those are the things that I've uploaded so far. And in these 7 days, I've managed to sell only one thing. I expected to go a little bit faster, but I had one sale. I listed it for $20, and then the person countered for $15. It was a Naked Wardrobe bodysuit. They countered for $15, and that was fine. And so according to Poshmark, I will be getting 12 of those dollars. So I think that's a pretty good turnaround. I think they take a $3 fee on the sales, so it doesn't seem like it's a percentage. It just looks like it's a $3 per item or something like that. And so I just wanted to get to my thoughts. So this might be like a really quick video, but overall, my thoughts on Poshmark. And I think I might be jaded. If you're on this video, you probably saw that you probably are here because you I don't know why you're here. But I saw Poshmark. I see a lot of YouTubers use Poshmark to clean out their closet, and it seems like they're able to grab money, get money pretty quickly. And in my personal opinion, if you don't have a following already, it seems like it's really hard to sell stuff on Poshmark. I got a lot of followers in a short amount of time on there, and I think it's because a lot of people are bots. I noticed that there's a lot of people selling unique pieces, like a boutique, using Poshmark as a boutique. So that it's like very oversaturated unless you have really good pieces that people really like. So I think that that's something to keep in mind. I do not think I will clear what I have really quickly. I think it'll take months and months based on how things are going so far. And it might be my sizes. I'm pretty tall. But I'm a medium in most things. I like a medium in pants and medium in shirts, things like that. So it seems like it's a little bit difficult to sell things on there. A lot of people seem to be professional Poshmark sellers, so you have to stack up against them, and I'm not that. But I think that like Naked Wardrobe is just really popular on there. I'm really used to selling things that are not clothes on things like Letgo and OfferUp, and they just organize things as far as like date and what the people are looking for, and I'm used to selling things really quickly, like in a couple days. And so this, I don't really know if I highly recommend it. Yeah, I think it's really hard if you're a casual seller. Like, I've only made $12. And if you're trying to get rid of a bunch of stuff in your closet really quickly, like you're moving or you just need money, you know, pandemic, whatnot, things just sell so slow. And if you're moving, you might just want to get rid of it. Like, you might just want to get rid of it as opposed to keeping it and potentially making money in 2 months from now, or 3 months from now, or 4 months from now. And if you don't have people that are actively like looking to buy stuff from you, you're screwed, you know what I'm saying? So overall, I would say that I think if you're gonna go onto Poshmark, move with caution, because it's not easy if you're just a regular person. I only have like 600 followers on Instagram, and I think like half those are guys, and so, you know, it's not, I don't really know if I recommend it. I think what's gonna happen, I'm probably gonna keep my closet up for like another few weeks, and if something crazy happens, I'll give an update. But overall, I think that it's a slow process, and if you have other means, I would do that. Maybe even like ThredUp. I never tried ThredUp, but at least you would have the inventory out of your face, because now I have to hold on to all these clothes while they're in my closet until I sell them. The shipping process though is super easy. They give you the shipping process. I sold my item. They gave me a label. I print the label out. I put it in the box. I ship it. I got a notice that the USPS picked it up. Super easy. So that's really nice. And then you can like pass that along to your seller. You can absorb the cost of shipping if you want to, but I didn't do that because I'm trying to make money from these clothes I'm selling. I'm not just trying to give them away. And I think you have to eat the like $8 shipping cost if you want to, and it only really makes sense for expensive items. So, you know, overall, yeah, Poshmark is a lot harder than it seems. I think that YouTubers make it look really easy. If you're looking at me and you're like, oh, I'm the same size as this girl, please check out my Poshmark store. If you're watching this video, please check out my Poshmark store. Otherwise, I will catch you guys in the next video. Like this video if you like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends.